So these are the climbing sticks. As you see, they fold nicely into each other. They each have a rope that goes around a tree. I actually have aiders on my sticks. You don't necessarily have to have aiders, but I do. And then I have 4 sticks. 4 sticks, again, gets me right at about 20 feet. So it works for me. You don't have to use 4. You can use 1, you can use 2, whatever works for you. So I'm just gonna, this is the way I wrap them up and carry them in. And again, I have a particular order that I use my sticks. So with my aiders, I have one aider that's a different color. That's my bottom stick. On the side of each one of your sticks, it has these cleats. And what you want to do is you wrap the cleat, you wrap your rope around a tree and then around the cleat. And then on that bottom cleat, you'll hear a little pop. That's how you know it's in, right? And then I bring it around and I wrap it. Depending upon how much the tree, how big the tree is, you'll see how much rope that you have left. So let me show you how that works on a tree. So I get to the tree. I like to, what works for me in my height, I like to have the top of the stick about head high. I have the top of the stick about head high, right? So I lean into the tree, I pull my rope, I pull it tight here, and then I just go around the cleat. That last one, you're gonna hear pop, and then I go around, and around. And then just like any stick, once you get it on, you want to pull it down, put your weight on it to make sure it's good. All right. And then what I do is I will unfold my, I'll do that now. So then what I'll do is unfold my aider, and I'm ready to climb. So I'm not going to open up the JX3 all over again, but essentially all I'm doing here, I have my lineman's rope, etc., and it's actually carrying my weight. So I know that the stick is carrying my weight. So once I'm here, I throw my lineman's rope around, I attach it, and I step just like I would if I was in a typical saddle. So that's quickly the stick. And then when I'm climbing down, again, I have 4 of them. What I do, everyone is different. I put one of the sticks in the tire gear on this side, or the gear tie on this side. I put one, my top stick is always on my right hand side with a gear tie. And then I actually carry the second step in my hand because the rope is long enough that the stick can still be on the ground and I can be standing on the top of this step. I love these because the platform, I have big feet. So the platform is wide enough so that I can stand on the top of the platform and feel really comfortable. When I'm coming down, I just do the reverse. A lot of times what I'll do is I will wrap everything up and put it back in a wire tie, or if I'm not concerned about making noise or anything like that, I actually just drop the stick on the ground. So all I would do is once I got to this particular step, I would roll it up, strap it in, then I would unhook my step, Just taking it off the cleats. And then I'm able to drop this to the ground or tie it up, whatever I'm going to actually do. And then let me show you and then I'll show you the top platform. This is the top platform. It's different from the other sticks in that you see the top actually has a platform. So with the top stick, you don't need an additional platform. This is your platform that's built in. So what I do with the top stick is normally, once I'm at the top, I use my knee because I know that's about the height. When it goes down, that from the top of that last step to the bottom of this step, I know that's a comfortable step for me. So I just put it right above my knee. I put the rope around a tree and I do the same thing. I go through the cleats. Hear the pop. Lets me know it's in. I go around and through. And then I put my weight on it. All right? And then once I have that weight, then I actually climb up on that last step. So I have this is my top stick. This is how I'm climbing. I have my lineman's rope. And then I have this at a comfortable height. And then all I'm doing is, and I actually can lean on this too. That's another thing that I like about the big tops on these sticks, is I can leverage that to actually climb. So I step, want to make sure I hold on to my rope at the same time. Step, push myself up, hold on to the tree, step, and then I'm there. I don't know if you can see me, but then I tighten up my lineman's rope, and then I'm at the top of the platform and I can do whatever I need to do. And again, with the hybrid, the platform allows me to go all the way around the tree. I don't have my tether on now, but if I have my tether on, I'd be able to swing all the way around the tree. And you literally don't have to be concerned about where you're going to place your foot because of the top platform. I love it. And then when I'm actually coming down, once again, I'm going to loosen my lineman's rope again. And I typically always step down with my left. It's just habit. I step down with my left, just like I was going up and holding on. I can leverage this to hold on as I step down to the next rung, all right? And then once I'm here, I can reach down. If I'm on the top step or if I'm on the bottom, reach down, unwrap it, and then I'm here. And I can just drop this down, or I can lower it down if I'm concerned about noise, or sometimes I will attach it back to my saddle and then lower myself down, continue to lower myself down. So these are the JX3 Hybrid sticks that come along with the system. Leave comments below if you like the sticks. If you do have a hybrid, I've seen videos where people use their own sticks or other sticks that may be a little bit lighter. I don't think these are super heavy, but there are lighter sticks out there. Leave a comment, let me know.